Did you know that people tend to overvalue products they have invested effort into creating, even if the end result is subpar? It's called the IKEA effect. This cognitive bias leads us to have a higher appreciation for things we build ourselves, like that bookshelf or desk from IKEA. But what are the psychological implications? Well, when we put in the effort to create something, it gives us a sense of accomplishment and ownership. We become emotionally attached to our creations, despite their flaws. This can have both positive and negative effects. On one hand, it can boost our self-esteem and make us feel competent. On the other hand, it can blind us to the actual quality of our work. So, the next time you find yourself proud of your DIY project, take a step back and evaluate it objectively. Is it truly as good as you think, or are you influenced by the IKEA effect? Remember, it's important to acknowledge our biases and strive for realistic self-assessments. And who knows, maybe next time you'll create something even better. So, embrace the satisfaction of building something with your own hands, but don't let the IKEA effect cloud your judgment. Keep creating and evolving.